I'm combat ready.
Welcome back to the Weebs Closet. I'm Jake.
I'm Nekko.
And we're back with Jujutsu Kaisen, Season 1, Episode 6, After Rain. And holy shit, I just realized that Itadori died. Did you, like, it's been like 2 weeks since we watched.
Yeah, I kind of forgot that he did.
He actually, he died and he hasn't come back yet. And where we left off, there was like some tournament
happening
between Jujutsu High and then some
another
schools,
school. Yeah, I do wonder if like Itadori will wake up early enough to join, or like he's gonna be midway, but they're like gonna make an exception. It's like this guy died, so let him in. That'll be interesting to see. We got introduced to 3 new characters, being Zenin, which is the girl with the glasses, and the what seems to be I almost said a Nichiren sword. Yeah, Nagitana. And then we got Inumaki, which is the guy that can only talk in ingredients for the sushi. And then the panda called Panda.
Oh, yeah, I won't forget. I was watching one of the Patreon ones, and you said like the Spanish pronunciation was like panda. So like every time you say it, you're like panda. Man, I really love this panda.
It's just like I read it and it says panda. I don't say pan. Like I don't know. I don't want
us to forget Nobara was actually very upset that Itadori died, even though they barely knew each other.
Yeah, I'm actually quite like. I mean, granted, I think my personal thought is that if somebody that I work with dies, it just makes it that more scary to work.
Where are you working?
I mean, I'm just saying, like, if I'm working here for this type of people, and like somebody dies, it just makes it that more real. It's like, oh wow, people do die here.
You're like speaking from experience right there. You're like, man, at the fucking office, bro. If a computer falls on you, it's just that much more real.
Yes, that is. Like, you never know when a computer's gonna fall on you, and you die. But yeah, so guys, follow us on Twitter, check our Twitch, and then the Patreon. We got time exclusive over there. This is one of them, so you'll probably get to see this a long time after it's been in Patreon. So, I mean, and if we're just releasing them one by one in YouTube, then you might want to jump into the Patreon to catch it a little bit earlier. But
I mean, a lot bit earlier,
buddy. A lot of bit earlier. Uncles are gonna be over there. Check it out. Check the episode. Come back to us and let's watch it,
please.
Alrighty. Are we recording? Yeah, we're recording. I always freak out that we're not. 3, 2, 1, go. That's gonna be interesting to see.
Yeah.
I really want to say. Oh, I forgot about the intro too. I'll make you cry. Damn.
Yeah, he's very hostile.
I love that he's still trying to take him on. Ooh, that deflection, that's insane. I love that. Nice. His face.
Huh, okay.
For 1 minute.
Okay. Very interesting. I feel like there's some fine print in there, though.
Yeah. This is packed. Okay. It's such an interesting... And the thing is that he won't remember this. Nice.
Yeah, he's no pushover. Granted, he's a 2
Try
of
to
20
live, and
fingers.
if you win, I'll do it with. Ooh.
Oh, never mind. Spoke too soon.
That's insane. I mean, he did try to give him a fight, so that's pretty nice.
That was quick, though.
上の連中を皆殺しにするのは簡単だ。でもそれじゃ組がすげ替わるだけで変革は起きない。だから僕は教育を選んだんだ。ユージもその一人だった。
もう始めるけど、そこで見てるつもりか。
Yuji's back up.
お、フルチンじゃん。
ちょっと残念。
What?
恥ずかしいんすけど。
In the meantime, put this on.
What was Doctor disappointed by?
Because she wanted to open him up and
yeah.
test, see all the things.
I feel like that was a double meaning right there.
Oh god, no, she would not have done it with a dead body.
No, well, no, I don't think that. I was like, his size. It's disappointing.
I mean, after you're dead, I'm pretty sure it's not gonna be an extremely good size.
Hey, women don't care. They're ruthless. They're judging at all times.
You're not wrong. I was gonna throw a comment, but I'm gonna reserve it for the podcast.
昔から責任感は強い方だった。あのテーブルに近づけば死ぬ。五条悟、封印、その手立てを。特級呪物、獄門鏡を使う。すみません店長。
God damn.
So I guess he can see curses.
Mm-hmm. That's pretty cool.
Oh my god.
Holy shit.
Oh fuck.
Holy shit. Oh my
what
god.
What the fuck?
Remind me to never get coffee at Japan at all.
Worth still. It's worth the experience.
It's a drink and a show.
Get out of there! Get out of there! You can't just crawl. Well, that looked almost like the fish-looking curse from last episode.
Myself the chick.
Yikes!
That is.
Yikes!
Crazy. You better hope that they didn't have cameras, because they only see that you survived. That's gonna be kind of weird.
Kind of sus. I don't think he cares much though.
Yeah.
He's got a friend that can light people on fire at will. One that you can't even see.
Someone was already dead. Oh wow. That's sad to think.
Yeah. That makes it worse, actually.
She's being flailed. Falling practice. Mustard leaf. You're right. The other ones don't fight face to face or close combat. The girl throws nails, and the other one just uses dogs or animals. I cannot teach you to be as strong as me, because I need to kill you eventually, but we can get there.
Oh, I knew he was gonna do that.
The curse technique.
Okay.
Okay. See, I don't get it. Same as us.
So one was kind of like
raw
abrupt.
energy.
Yeah, and the other one was a technique. Kind of choked it out. Literally a light bulb.
He ain't talent. Holy shit, really. Thunder fight. You guys are even singing. That's for Naruto.
I'm just bamboozled by this animation right now.
Fucking Paper Mario in this bitch.
It's Harry Potter.
You're talking about the Expecto Patronum type of thing? It's always angry. I just get really irritated. Someone, bro. I'm pretty sure that's what they were trying to say. It's like y'all are bad at close combat, so let's try to hit me.
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
watching movies.
Hey, we can train soon. Oh God. Punch in the face.
Just start watching movies, I guess. Oh.
Okay. I thought it was that movie was so trash that it was gonna make you feel a particular way, you know. Comment section. Ooh. Tuna. Look, okay.
Good luck learning that language, though.
I know, I'm trying to see if like I can find a consistent use. Underground.
I kind of assume it's like an I am Groot thing. Where it's just like the characters themselves are going to have to translate for you.
Yeah. I mean, it is also part of his technique because he's the cursed speech. So I don't think he'll ever talk properly.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, unless he runs out of energy, probably that's whenever he starts talking properly. You imagine that would be so suckish.
Too much emotion.
Don't drink it. It's wax on, wax off, buddy.
I guess he wouldn't remember.
Yeah. I was like, fuck. I guess I gotta deal with whatever happens. Yeah, McDonald's, please. In that case, I'm out. What has he done to him to make him so jumpy?
All right, here comes Mr. Volcano Man. Oh, come the fuck on. That's such a quick episode.
Yeah, I didn't feel like the 20-minute.
I love the animation here. It's like a commercial. That's so weird.
It's such, yeah.
I love the after credit scenes in this. All right, come on now. Episode 7 is gonna be so good. I say we make it snap. Plus, it's really cold in here, so I'm definitely excited to get into the next one. If you are down.
D sound.
Down.
Yeah, I am the Zound.
D to the Izzy own.
So let's try to do this quick. I like the fact that they're trying to teach our characters close combat. That's pretty cool. I wonder what Nobara is gonna learn out of this, if she learns anything out of it. But it seems like Megumi is gonna be able to grab things, like store things within the floor, or pull it like Full Metal Alchemist, where he just creates a.
That'd be cool shit. Yeah. I mean, you don't have the law of equivalent exchange in this show, so you don't have to worry about that. I think. Yeah, the dogs don't really come from anywhere.
Yeah.
He just kind of spawns them.
They just. Yeah, so, and I'm actually curious to see if they actually end up really killing off the white dog, because that'll be.
I don't think so.
Because he was drove through a wall.
Yeah, he took a beating in that one episode.
Or if he has, like you said, like that's like, bitch, you let me die, type of thing.
Just doesn't come back. Yeah, that's what I really like about the Devils and Chainsaw Man, is that like you make contracts with them as well, just like the curses in this show.
And they have their own personalities, I guess.
Yeah. But if they feel wronged by you, that contract is gonna be slightly altered. Yeah.
So yeah, I'm interested. I want to see. I honestly feel like Megumi is gonna be really interesting in terms of his power scaling. I mean, Yuji, I feel like he's just gonna be somebody that can be kind of like Gojo, where he can do things from long range and short range as well. Obviously, Gojo probably is gonna be at a bigger scale. Because we saw that intro screen where he just blows up in middle of the air, like nothing blows up in middle of the air. There was nothing in that like night sky, and he just blows up. So
he just has like a hero like kaboom, basically.
Legit. And I don't know. I'm interested. I want to see what the rest of the characters, especially Panda. I want to see what he does. Like, he's the most curious one, because is he just gonna be a tank, you know, or does he have more things on his sleeve? Or what about Inumaki, which is the guy with the Coors Light, with a curse speech.
Coors Light. Nekko, he only speaks in beer.
Yeah.
Coors Light. Yes, we'll watch the next one.
Shiner.
No, I won't do that with you.
Oh god. But yeah, guys, hope you liked the episode. Comment, like, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.
Goodbye.
Hope you guys enjoyed another Weebs Closet reaction. A special thanks to our Patreons. We appreciate your extra support to keep this channel going. Be sure to hit that like button, leave a comment down below, and subscribe to stay up to date with our latest videos. See you in the next one.